Hello everyone, Botany Insider wishes you and your family a very happy Diwali, and on the occasion of Diwali, we are announcing flat 30% off on all of our courses. You can download our Botany Insider application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store and get yourself enrolled in the number of courses that are running for your preparation of CSIR UGC NET Lifesciences examination. We are starting off with a number of new courses as well very soon. So you can download our application, check out the discounted prices. We have announced flat 30% off on all the courses. So do not wait for the last minute. The sale prices will be available only till 2nd of November. Go check out all the courses. The link of all the courses are in the description box. So wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Use the coupon code Diwali 2024 and get yourself enrolled in the number of courses that we have. Wishing you all a very happy, safe and prosperous Diwali. Enjoy this festive season with your friends and family and prepare for your upcoming future in the best manner with Botany Insider. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali once again. Download our application and celebrate this particular Diwali with us. You can use all the links in the description box and get yourself enrolled. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck. Take care everyone. All the very best for your examinations, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button to Botany Insider. We have reached to this point with the help of your own support. So make sure to share your support and love for the upcoming videos as well. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Happy Diwali. Stay safe. Take care.